Yeah, what's up, guys? Okay, same. This is how to trade crash and boom. I believe most of us know the strategy, guys. You know so right now the conditions for this strategy is that the red moving average has to touch this green line. It has to cross over this green line to get a spike. Yeah, guys, you all know this. So right now, as you can see, it has crossed the green line. So what I'm going to do is I'll place this here. Yes, guys. Let me place another set. Okay, I've placed another set. And I'm waiting for the spike right now, guys. I'm waiting for the spike. Yeah, this is trading. Crash 1000. Crash 1000. Trading. Yes, sir. Yes, guys. So let me check on the 15-minute time frame. And look at what we got on 15-minute time frame. Yeah, we're expecting the spike. We're getting a spike, guys. We're getting a spike from the 15-minute time frame. You can also see it crossed above, so we are getting a spike, guys. Crossed at this point. That's when the spike, those bearish candle was formed. So, guys, automatically we are expecting a spike here. Stay tuned for a spike, guys. This strategy works. Just keep practicing it and you get used to it, guys. It's going to spike. Let's wait for a spike. For the 1 minute, it has crossed, even at the beginning to the end of the screen. Okay, guys, even at the beginning of the screen, it has crossed. Same at the middle, at the end of the screen, it has crossed. We're trying to look out for support, for resistance level. Okay, what we are waiting for now, if you look at the 5 minutes time frame, we are waiting for a pullback, just like this. We're waiting for a pullback, and that's our spike. That will be our spike. Yeah, we're waiting for that pullback. So, guys, we're waiting for that. I don't want this video to be too long, but let's wait. I don't want to pause it and then come back to it to look as if it was being manipulated. No. So I want it to be live, so you see the spike yourself. This strategy still works. It still works, guys. For crash 1000. Like I told you before, I said I don't leave my trade for more than 8 candles. So 8 candles I normally stop loss if it doesn't spike. Yeah, if it doesn't spike I normally stop loss. 8 candles. Let's check for crash 500. So crash 500, you can see for crash 500, guys, it crossed above this line and then look, a spike. And I told you, when a black candle forms, it means there is another spike. You should expect another spike. Look, a black candle, another spike, another black candle, look, another spike, continuously. Guys, this is how this strategy works. Look here, a black candle, then another spike. Look, so the moment the red moving average cross above the green line, it gets a spike. Look, guys, look, crash 500. Look, moment it crossed above, you see it spike. trading crash and boom is very simple, guys. It's very simple. Look, it cross above, you get a spike. So let me show you how to use this strategy, how to set the indicators, guys. Look, the first indicator is the average directional movement. These are the parameters, just as you can see in my screen. The period is 50, star is 2 pixel, di plus 2 pixel for the green, then di minus is 2 pixel. Then it's only the positive di that you should put color, while the rest should be the color of your screen. Then the levels are 0, 5, 10, 20, 35, 0 and 0. Then the next indicator is the moving average. Move period 10, method simple, apply to close 4 pixel. I believe you guys can set this indicator, then you click done. If you can't, you can go to the previous video on crash and boom and you see how the indicators were set in a more explained way. So guys, the market facilitation index, the volume is tick, line width 4 pixel, MFI up green, MFI down black, MFI up for the volume down black, MFI down for the volume up green. That's it. Click on then commodity channel index, period 14, apply to typical price, type 2 pixel, then the levels is minus 100 and plus 100. So guys, that's it. So you can see we are still waiting for the spike for crash. Yeah, we're still waiting for the spike for crash 1000, guys. After 10 candles, wow, guys, look what we got here. Crash 1000. We're still waiting for the spike. You can see still running on loss. We're still waiting for the spike. Okay, yeah, let's just wait. 8 candles and we are out of this trade, guys. 8 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At the end of this candle, if it doesn't, guys, you can see, you just saw that spike right now, guys. You see we're in profit on an instant $23, guys. Instant $23. I told you this strategy works perfectly, guys. It's a very simple strategy. Look, you can make money from this money, guys. I don't know why you guys play with this strategy. This strategy is the most powerful strategy you can find on YouTube, on anywhere. This is, guys, you see, I told you I stop loss after 8 candles, right? And look, it was just 7. I was about to count and I said it remaining 1, right? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one was a spike. Look, guys, profit everywhere. Profit, we make profit. In Forex Success, we make profit. Guys, you can learn how to trade. Join my student on Forex Success students. You will learn how to trade. We'll teach you how to trade. It's very simple. So instead of blowing your account, instead of losing money, feeding your brokers, why don't you learn how to trade, guys, and trade for yourself? Be the boss of your own. So guys, you can message me on Instagram at Forex Success, or you click on the link is at the description, or you can message me on Telegram. The link is also at the description below. Yeah, so you can learn from us. We teach you, we mentor you, and we also give you signals so you can earn, you can make profit, you can earn while you learn. Thanks, guys, for this video. Thanks for watching, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. You can see the spike. I believe you all know how to set it. You can take a screenshot of the parameters, the average directional movement, then the moving average. Take a screenshot so you can set the market facilitation index and the commodity channel index. So guys, I'm closing this trade, or let me confirm something. Okay, had it been this was a green candle, I would have kept it for another spike, but it's a black candle, so I really won't wait for it. I will just close this trades. Yes guys, so this is how it is. Crash 1000. Okay, yes guys, I'm not closing other trades, those are long-term trades. Okay guys, this is how we make money from trading crash and boom volatility indices. Guys, they are very simple. They are very simple. You can make money too. You can make money too. Don't sit and watch others make money. Make money too, guys. Register for mentorship program at Forex Success. DM me and I'll give you all the details you need to know to start learning. And we'll also give you signals, guys. We'll also give you signals to earn while you learn. You will earn money while you are still learning. So thank you guys once again. Share these videos to your friends so they can also benefit from this strategy. Crash and boom. Guys, stop feeding your broker, stop feeding your broker, and don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Trade when you make profit, you can close your trades. Don't be greedy and never hope that market will come back to your favor. Always use stop loss. Don't hope it will come back. You will end up blowing your account. Thanks guys for watching this. Give this video a thumbs up and drop your comments on questions and whatever you think about trading.